All right, Eli, what are we doing?
All right. Chat. 3 things from vending machine.
What if I use my
1, 2, 3. You put $2 in it.
Eli, it's not that hard. Down here.
That's not straight, bro.
The next day.
All right, we restart the game.
All right, restart. Oh, Fanta.
Well, it's not gonna work till you
I know that.
Whoa.
Because like 5 people don't.
All right, with chat, I just lost $1. Bye.
Eli, it's not that hard.
20 Florida ounces. Double click again.
All right, wait.
FL is
That's $2.
Double click.
All right.
Oh shoot, it was 3 more.
Eli, I don't think it worked. Yeah, camera's cut.
It was like the shortest wait.
$3 in this John.
Don't record the $3. Stick it in.
Oh, that's what she said.
Dude, it's stuck.
Oh, what?
That's what she said.
I had a whole $5 bill the whole time.
You're an idiot.
Man, shut your bitch.
Getting me a cherry coke.
Let's just restart this. Oh, I don't need the money.
Bruh.
No, Eli. Eli, it took your money. No way. He did it, bro.
All for free.
Stop the cap.
Here we go. It's mine now.
Oh, why are you shaking it? Yeah. You want me to do it?
The seal's broken. Here's your coke.
Huh?
Nope, you like.
Oh, it's coming out.
That's what she said.
Did we break
You
the soda?
broke it. Harry coming in clutch.
Dude, no way. No way. It's compensation. No way.
Take it.
It's crazy.
Here you go. Eli's germophobic, so he won't drink it now.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
Yeah, I'm stupid, but
You stupid.